Everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this short 2025 guide, I'll show you Bizum's transfer limits per transaction and what you need to know before sending money. Let's jump in. Step 1. What is Bizum's transfer limit per transaction? In 2025, the maximum amount you can send per transaction is €1,000. That means you cannot send a single payment higher than this amount using Bizum. Step 2. Daily and monthly limits. Beyond the per transaction limit, Bizum also has overall daily and monthly limits. You can send up to €2,000 per day and up to €5,000 per month, depending on your bank's policies. Step 3. Receiving money with Bizum. When receiving money, there is no per transaction limit, but most banks also set a monthly receiving cap. Check with your bank if you plan to receive large sums. Step 4. Adjusting your limits. Important. Some banks allow you to adjust your daily or monthly limits for extra security. If you need higher limits, contact your bank's customer service. Quick tip. Always double-check the amount before sending. Transactions cannot be canceled after they're sent. And that's all for Bizum transfer limits in 2025. If this guide was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.